Okay, so we kind of are in this, like, I don't know what you call it, but it's like a Jiangmen architectural style thing, I think. So it's kind of an interesting style of architecture. Lots of cool little shops everywhere in here, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And I'm going to kind of be checking it out. There's even beautiful balconies too. And we're going to walk along it and just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. So stay tuned for that. Just gonna go around the corner real quick. And we're gonna be going along that waterfront over that way. Okay, so we got a slice of China for you. This is Jiangmen, and this is kind of the Lingnan historical blocks. So we're gonna be meandering around in here. And Jiangmen is such a great place. It's I definitely gonna go there again and again. But anyways. It's up on the map so you can see exactly where this is at, or at least the general vicinity where you should go as a tourist. And let's just get in there as if you're there yourself. Okay, so this is this little alley. It looks like there's some people going to check it out now. This is pretty cool. You got some people playing the Chinese chess, Zhengxi. I love it when I see that game. I don't want to disturb him. I just started learning that a little bit. Oops. Okay, so we have lots of different shops along this way. And there's just so much to see. Like of course that's an interesting area to go down as well. There's all these references to the historical connection of all of this neighborhood. But actually what I want to do is I want to walk along this main road. There's some people hanging out in the park over there. Look at those lanterns and the detail. In the future I'm going to get a zoom. There's an action camera that's out now. I'm going to try to get the latest one, or I can do what I'm doing now and film, but zoom in, which these GoPros cannot do. Because I would love to zoom in on some of this detail right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna throw this in the recyclables. And then we're gonna be kind of looking into some of these. And there's little courtyards everywhere in here. There's like a little Jiangmen reference right there. I'm just gonna walk in. I think it's a coffee shop and a courtyard. So yeah, this whole area is split of these. I bet this will all change someday and it'll be completely, it'll be like just like in Foshan. Foshan has the historical blocks too, and now it's and then you go there now and it's like there's so many people. It's like one of the hottest spots to go to in Foshan. Actually, that's kind of a trend in a lot of China. They make these little walkable neighborhoods into these economic tourist hotspots. There's actually so much opportunity for wealth creation and business and showcasing the city. I think these are movie references. Pretty cool. Yeah, I like what Jiangmen's doing with their city. I kind of feel like in the future, you know, if I was 65 and retired and wanted to live in somewhere that's affordable, I hope the city stays like that and remains affordable, because it'd be kind of a cool city to live in. Let's just kind of walk over here. Okay. Hello. Hello. We've got streamers, I think. Okay, let's kind of walk down this way. Oops. Hello. Let's walk down this way. So I think there's all kinds of movie references everywhere in here. Here's a little I Love Jiangmen sign. Kind of sneak through here real quick. Really beautiful architecture. Let me see. Oh, she's taking a picture down there. So cool. Okay. So this is kind of the back side. Yeah, there's kind of stuff to explore throughout. That's kind of, yeah. I'm doing all those shots in the alley. That looks really cool. Okay, so we're gonna walk up, check out more of these movie reference things. I need to inform myself like why Jiangmen is like such a movie reference place. So I don't know if they're just marketing towards it, or if a lot of these are actually caught in time. Are these all like Jiangmen references? This is a cool city. I think I kind of heard though that a lot of people are coming to Jiangmen to film more because it's just such a photogenic place, and I would agree with that. Okay, so it looks like we do have more stuff. There's a, let's see, there's another movie reference thing right there too. You just kind of see it there in some of these, There's also like a studio thing right there. Beautiful windows too. Oh, record. Do they produce music here too? Like they got all the vinyl record stuff. Huh. Makes you want to get a vinyl record collection, and it's pretty cool. Another one. Owl's Cafe. Let's see what this is. Huh. Huh. There's just kind of endlessly interesting stuff everywhere. There's even like a little surfboard thing right here. Lazy Human Lab. It's a restaurant to the left. Hot pot. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just kind of see. Wow. Oh, this beautiful architecture. Just kind of go down a slight little bit. So there's even more stuff over that way. I do want to keep going down that way as well. Let me just kind of see. So yeah, there's actually stuff down here too. You can see on the waterfront right here. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, the coffee shop here. Huh. Yeah, I wanted to kind of have to go into this neighborhood now because this is so interesting. Let's just go down this way. It's a cat. Thought it was like a raccoon or some bigger animal. So there's interesting stuff everywhere. Chi Ming Li. So are we officially in Chi Ming Li? Chi Ming Li is this other really cool area. Huh. It's such a cool city. Such a cool city. Hello. I just want to walk down a little bit and then we're going to go down the other way. Oh wow. Cool. That's good music. So we're going to go down that way in a second. Chi Ming Li. That's the neighborhood that we're at. And I definitely could explore down that way, but I think I'm going to keep going down this way. And over here they got somewhere to sit. And we got the cafe. We got good music too. I love the city. It's all kinds of cool stuff. Specialty coffee, okay. So, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Say hi since they're looking this way anyways. Another cool shop right there. Let me just kind of see. So yeah, we could go this way or that way. Let's go this way. I think this area looks kind of cool because there's beautiful balconies right there. Jiangmen is such a cool city.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey,
You got there? Ah. Is that stinky tofu? Let's see how this one is. Oh, it smells good. That's good. This one is this one? Or is it different? It's very good. Cheers, thank you. Thank you so much. That's really good. I think I'm supposed to buy it, but I want to film. That's really, really good. You know, I wouldn't have. That's really good. I should go back and buy one, but yeah, I'm gonna go back and buy one. Let me see. That was really, really good. Definitely let's support that. Maybe I'll get. That was really good. This one is this one?
No,
Yeah.
no.
Oh, different. Oh. It's good. Oh, it's one of these.
这个
That one.
是那个
Oh, okay.
这个就是那个
Oh, okay. so I'm definitely gonna get it. So okay, that sounds good. So I'm gonna get one. I'll get this one. Maybe show. Yeah, one.
Bless you, Jiangmen. Just tell me when I'm gonna Jiangmen. Just tell me when I'm gonna